Hello guys, we're back with another video. So I'm gonna be checking and stuff and go to my friend's. Well, yeah, he's actually a pretty good friend and he's a good YouTuber.
Yes!
Pistol Posse. Wait, oops, I spelled it wrong. Oops, sorry. Actually, yes, yeah, that's Pistol Posse. Go to his channel because he's awesome.
Hey!
And I'm 12 years old like this, like him, but he's older than me by like a year, I think. Joined June 2010. I joined July 14th or 16th or something. 2010. So yeah, stop. I'm making a video. Stop. Why not? Why? Let's see. September 20. He's not making as much as videos as I thought he would, but he's not making a lot. That's all I can say. Sorry about that, Pistol Posse, but like you should really like upload a little more. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. So I don't know. Let's see. Bye, guys.